Drinking lemon water for 30 days can have various potential benefits and effects on your health. Here's a detailed look at what you can expect if you incorporate this daily habit into your routine. Welcome back to Healthism, your trusted source for evidence-based health and wellness insights. In today's video, we're embarking on a 30-day journey of health transformation with a simple yet powerful elixir, lemon water. For centuries, lemons have been celebrated for their numerous health benefits, from their rich vitamin C content to their potential to kickstart your metabolism and support weight loss. We've taken these claims and put them to the test. Over the next month, we'll be exploring what happens when you commit to drinking lemon water every day. As we delve into the science, the myths, and the real-world experiences, you'll discover how this tangy, golden elixir could be your ticket to a healthier, more invigorated life. So, if you're curious about the potential benefits, the possible side effects, and whether this is just another health trend or a genuinely transformative habit, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the results, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss a single update on this exciting journey. Join us as we uncover the real impact of lemon water, from improved digestion to glowing skin and everything in between. It's time to revitalize your health with Healthism. Let's get started. Hydration and digestion improvement. Increased hydration. Drinking lemon water helps increase your daily fluid intake, which is essential for overall health. Staying well hydrated can improve energy levels, support skin health, and aid in various bodily functions. Digestive aid. Lemon water, especially when consumed in the morning on an empty stomach, can stimulate your digestive system. It may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating and heartburn. Vitamin C boost. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports your immune system and helps protect cells from damage. Detoxification and weight management. Detoxification. Lemon water is often considered a natural detox drink. It can promote the flushing of toxins from your body and support healthy liver function, which is crucial for detoxification. Appetite control. Some people find that drinking lemon water can help curb their appetite. This may assist in weight management by reducing the tendency to overeat. Alkalizing effect. Despite lemons being acidic in nature, they have an alkalizing effect on your body when metabolized. An alkaline environment may contribute to better kidney health. Skin health and fresh breath. Skin radiance. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemons can promote healthier, glowing skin. Lemon water can help combat skin issues and reduce signs of aging. Fresh breath. The antibacterial properties of lemon may help freshen your breath. It can also prevent mouth infections and relieve gingivitis, which is beneficial for oral health and may indirectly benefit kidney health. Improved mood. Lemon water can have a refreshing and invigorating effect, potentially enhancing your mood and reducing stress and anxiety, which can be linked to kidney health. Immune support and reduced inflammation. Immune support. The vitamin C in lemon water strengthens your immune system. This can make you more resistant to common colds and illnesses, which can be especially beneficial if you have kidney issues. Anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation is essential for overall health, including kidney health. Lemon water can help combat inflammation, benefiting conditions like kidney disease. Kidney stone prevention. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and urine pH. This is a direct benefit to kidney health. Improved pH balance and better absorption. pH balance. Lemon water can help maintain a balanced pH in your body, which is crucial for various physiological processes, including kidney function. Mineral absorption. The citric acid may enhance the absorption of minerals like calcium and magnesium, promoting strong bones and potentially reducing the risk of kidney issues. Healthy hair. The nutrients in lemon water can boost hair health, making it shinier and less prone to dandruff and hair loss. While not directly related to kidneys, overall health can indirectly impact kidney function. Enhanced liver function and reducing acidity. Liver function. Lemon water supports the liver's detoxification process, which is vital for overall health and indirectly impacts kidney health, as both organs work together in waste removal. Reducing acidity. It might seem counterintuitive, but lemon water can reduce acidity and heartburn due to its alkalizing properties. This is valuable for those with kidney issues exacerbated by high acidity. Balanced blood sugar. Some studies suggest that lemon water may help regulate blood sugar levels, benefiting individuals with diabetes, which can, in turn, be beneficial for kidney health. Long-term benefits. Consistent energy levels. With improved hydration and overall health, you can expect more consistent energy levels throughout the day, aiding your body's ability to maintain kidney health. Healthy lifestyle. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine often encourages a broader commitment to a healthier lifestyle, which can be particularly helpful for kidney health. Kidney health. The combination of improved hydration, waste removal, and kidney stone prevention directly contributes to better kidney health. Lemon water can be a supportive element in managing kidney health. It's important to note that while many people experience these benefits from drinking lemon water, individual responses can vary. Lemon water can also be acidic and may affect tooth enamel, so it's a good practice to consume it in moderation and rinse your mouth afterward. Before making significant changes to your diet or daily habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially for specific kidney-related concerns. And there you have it, our 30-day adventure with lemon water has come to an end. We've shared the science, debunked some myths, and witnessed the transformative power of this simple daily habit. But remember, the key to lasting health is consistency. While lemon water can kickstart your day and offer numerous benefits, it's only one piece of the puzzle. A well-rounded diet, regular exercise, and a holistic approach to health are the pillars of long-term well-being. If you found this journey as enlightening as we did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your experiences with lemon water in the comments below. And of course, subscribe to Healthism for more health tips, myth-busting, and wellness adventures. Stay tuned for our next exciting health exploration, and until then, keep sipping that lemon water and taking steps toward your healthiest, happiest self. From all of us at Healthism, be well, be vibrant, and thrive.
Feel free to share your thoughts and comments about the valuable suggestions we've provided. We're eager to hear from you and continue this journey together. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us for more helpful and informative content.